Okay, guys, so we cleared off that second shelf. Now we are going to do this top shelf. And I think it's time to get rid of this because, as you saw in an earlier clip, the cat likes to get on top of it, and I kind of don't like that. We might use it itself as a project bag. There is yarn in there. Speaking of project bags, there is one. So I'm just going to move this next to me to give myself some space. And then we'll get started on that. Minnie's back to play with us. All right, guys, we're just going to go from the top. My mind is not working. These are pom-pom makers. You saw in my Emily unboxing haul that I got another pom-pom maker. That's what I was talking about earlier. These bags that I put in the trash, they do make good containers. So they might actually be coming out of the trash. But anyway, when I get to that pom-pom, the new pom-pom maker, it will go in with these. I have one in each size. So that can go on the top. Our top is empty right now. So this, again, excuse my feet, this is where I put all my yarn scraps, like the tiniest of scraps, because most of the time I do find something to do with them. I can probably mush this down a little bit, and I'll see if I can find a project that makes use of this. Maybe some kind of unicorn trim on a blanket or something like that, because I got all kinds of colors. Everything else is hard for me to open. This is pretty easy. So yeah, there's mush space in there. But I should be thinking of projects for how to use that up. Okay. So the other bin that's in there, okay, so this is trash. This is a hat idea that I had cut out. Yeah, I'm hesitating at making kits. This would be great to use up some random yarn. You know, I have to have a decent amount of brown, but I do have that. Yeah. Not sure where to put it, so for right now, we're just going to put it aside. I'm going to pull this a little closer. Okay, guys, so when I was talking about making little kits with these, way back when, I used these. And there's some stuff to put away in here, but you can see it was a pair of scissors. I held my crochet hook. I think it was a pair of scissors, crochet hook, and a measuring tape. That's what I used to keep in them. This one has my if my hands hurt gloves. I've had those for 30 years now. A pair of scissors. I think that might be all that's in there. Yeah, that's all that's in there. Trying to think of what to do with these. But we'll make things easy on myself right now. I can't remember what I was going to do with these pieces of foam core. So they're now trash. I told you guys, I've been trying out a whole bunch of, I mean, this is a selfie stick, but I've been trying out a whole bunch of these things. These things. And apparently I'm keeping them all. I just don't quite know what to do with them. Like I have so many now that they should really have their own place. So we'll stick that in there for right now. Take this out. So I have these Knitting and Crochet Jumbo Wonder Clips. I did get them at Joann's. For all you guys that say their stuff's overpriced and you can never find something that isn't on sale to use your 60% off coupon on, guarantee you I used a 60% off coupon on these because I really feel like they're like $40 or something like that. Something ridiculous. So this bag is a pain in the butt. So I think it's a good idea to you know, guys, I thought I had a small one. Where'd the small one go? Big, big, big. Is that the smallest one? It would definitely be easier to get in and out of this bag, but I feel like it's too big. I think I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, so that's much easier to get in and out of with this little slider. It's funny, guys. Like you can see the other ones on my hand. There's another red one around here somewhere. And somebody is trying to climb on me. No, thank you. I shouldn't have 4 projects going at once. Like that was my idea a while ago, that these bins were going to be my active project bins. And stop. Get out of the trash can. Go. Get out. Don't knock my drink over either. My lord. Drink is going to have to go in there. Y'all, now I'm second guessing myself. I should take these out of this bag. I swear to God. Why you up in my trash can? Stop! No! Why don't you lay down? Huh? Why don't you lay down and be a good girl? You guys probably can't hear it, but she's purring now. She just wants my attention constantly. As you can tell, she's always licking me too. So, yeah. I'm going to move this trash can, which will give me a little bit of peace temporarily until she moves to where she can reach it again. Okay. Push that a little further so I have some space. And I said a whole bunch of moving things around, guys. So this goes with my pens. It's actually a dry erase marker. Pretty sure. We know These scissors won't fit in my new little tins. And I have no idea why these staples were in here to begin with. I can almost reach them behind me, but I'll probably end up screwing up my shoulder if I try. There are 2 buttons in here also. Maybe I was making a hat with these. Anyway, this bin is now cleared out. These will fit inside. Okay. They fit nicely in there. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. They're supposed to be 12. I am missing one. Maybe we'll come across that too. Just for giggles, I'm going to empty these 2 because, see, I told you, they don't belong in here. This is medicine. Seam ripper. Chapstick. You know what? I'm going to put some on right now. See me rubbing my nose? I was talking about in the reflection. Always need a chapstick. That, you know, I might actually want to put in here. This needs to be cleared out, but I'm going to put this project in the actual project bag. So that'll be a good place to keep that. I just said where my scraps go. So we're going to put these scraps where they belong. Oh, look, looks like I have some hair things going on in here. Like the tiniest of scraps I will find something to do with. These are cotton scraps. This is one of those cutting blade necklaces that supposedly you can use with TSA. Multiple hair ties. I had to have been using these for crochet because there's no reason for me to have 3 going at once. Although, looks like this one, yeah, I'm not sure if you can see, this one's kind of pulled out right there, so that's going to go in the trash. Sorry, trying to get the rest of the yarn out.